Okay, hello everyone. I'm just going to do a video about our backyard chickens that we have. This is the view from our house. So you can see it's a lot of effort has gone into making this, and I think the girls love it. Don't know if you can see, it's a bit bright. But here are the girls coming to say hello. They all wait here in the morning ready for to be fed and their treats. So here is the coop. We actually got this free from the side of the road. We managed to get it to our house, which was just up the road, and with the help of family we managed to get it on legs, and this is where they roost at night. All completely free. The run that you can see here we built from scratch from the help of Bunnings and again of family, and the same with the wire. So there's the run. I'm just going to go inside now. You have to open the door. Here they are. See, they're running to the tub now because I think they're going to be fed. You sit down. So here they are. This here is Dee Dee. She is a Polish cross Araucana, so she lays lovely blue eggs. Down here is Pingu. She is the leader. She's the boss of the flock. Over here is Amber. She is a high line. She's our principal egg layer, and she's full of personality. She loves her food. Who have we got here? Here we have Nessie. I'm not quite sure what breed she is, but she's beautiful. As you can see, she's not quite so beautiful at the moment because she's currently molting, but she's starting to grow her feathers back, so that's good. Here's Amber wanting to say hello again. She's very friendly. And up here, who's just flown up, this is Dalek. She's a Belgium Duclay, purebred. We actually got her from Perth Royal Show. Who else haven't I introduced? This is Zelda. She is a Black Pekin purebred. And as you can see, she's starting to grow her feathers back as well. She was molting. This is Fia. She is a Belgium cross. I'm not exactly sure what breed she is. Probably a Danver. We got her from a friend. She's the oldest of the flock. She's probably getting on for 2 years old now. Oh, is Amber coming to say hello again? Hello, Amber. And over there, on the roosts, are our 3 newest additions to the flock. On the right there you can see Chiana. In the middle, I think that's Cleo. Then on the left is Arn. In case you're wondering what that thing hanging down there with the yellow lid is, that is a fly catcher. It's like attracts flies and then they get trapped inside. Because at the moment it's Australian summer, so it's pretty warm, and that helps control any kind of fly problem we have, which is not too bad, to be honest. Oh, Zelda having a nice drink there. Dalek loves being up on that roost as well. She often flies from there to the coop. She's a very good flyer, as Dalek. Oh, is she about to fly? Are you going to fly, darling? And go on. You can do it. Come on, and yay! And here she is in the window. They like sitting here. Hey, sweetie. Looking at me as if to say, what is that black thing you're holding? As you see here, if Dalek moves out the way, this is the chicken cam. It's where you can watch these girls 24/7 live streaming on our webcam, which is www.coopcam.org. I'll put a link in the description for you. But you can see them going about in the run during the day, like you can see now. And at night, I will turn the camera around, and if I just show in here, this is where they roost, and you'll see them roosting at night in black and white in night vision. And just this is their maybe at the moment maybe only 1 or 2 eggs a day, because it's very, very hot, and as you can see some of these have been molting. We also have 2 broody hens who aren't in the coop at the moment. They're in a special run. They're the 3 new girls. A little bit scared of the others at the moment, that's why they're on the roost. They're still getting used to the girls, they've got to get used to the pecking order. The girls are in this little temporary pen at the moment. You can see them, you can see Faye there a little bit. That's the broody holding pen, to try and get them out of being broody. It's Amber demanding some more food. So yeah, this is our coop and these are our hens. If you want me to do a video of anything in particular, I'm happy to do that. Just leave a comment or PM me. Otherwise, just have a look at our live streaming webcam. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.